Okay guys, welcome to Bukaste YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can make money online just by you watching YouTube videos and gain points, and then go and sell that points for views. What you just need is to log your Gmail account in this app and then go into it and be watching YouTube videos. As you watch them, you also gain some points which you may use to promote your YouTube videos, or you can use it and sell for those who need views for their channel. So this is how it works. So when you count the seconds to get points, you see the seconds counting. Immediately it reaches 0, then you will get the coin that will be added, which is 30 coin to your account. So as at now, I'm having 864 coins in my account. I just started it today and I'm able to get 800, which I can use to get 35 views for my YouTube video. So this is how it works. After you gain the points that you want, or you gain up to 1,000 points, then you go to promote, then you add your channel to this site. Or if you just want, if you are aiming to sell the views for someone, maybe you just go and copy that person's channel address and come and add it, and then tap on the plus button here. So they say promote video, get video link, open your video in YouTube. So you have to go to your YouTube, or you ask the person which video does he or she want to promote. So the person will send you the link, then you come and paste it here. When you paste it here like this and tap on add, so immediately you just tap on add, it will bring out the video that you wanted to promote. So because of the data, you would have seen the video, the picture, the one that I wanted to promote. You see free unlimited data, that's my own video, and they say number of views 35. So you can go and select the number of views that you want depending on the point that you have in your account. So, and they say time duration seconds 45. So 45 seconds, that means each person have to watch your video for up to 45 seconds before they can give the coin, or they can give the coin to the person. So, and total cost coin that you use, you have to use 787 coin to get this amount of viewers, 35, and then time duration 45 seconds watch time. So this is simple. So after you just do that, you tap on done, then and their warning is that like YouTube needs 72 hours to update views from third-party apps. So please wait at least 72 hours before checking. So when you do this, maybe you ask the person, you will not get the views immediately like that. He have to wait up to 72 hours before the views can be added to his or her account and YouTube channel. So let's see how we can use this method to make money online. So after gaining enough points to get enough views, you have to go to Facebook. You can go to Facebook or any of the social media, and then when you come to Facebook like this, you go to marketplace, where they are doing selling and buying. So you tap on sell. So sell here, you have to fix your category. So I'll select my category, and I'll say so you can scroll to the bottom maybe and select books, movie, and music for the entertainment. Now after selecting that, so here the condition, maybe you just select anyone there. So condition, maybe select new, and then what are you selling? You say, so you now tap there, YouTube views. So price, so you put on price that you want to sell them. So maybe you say 5 cedi for each view. So 5 cedi. So you select your location. So your location, you just select your location, and then type description, the description for the product. So here you can say that so in the description you can just type, I'm a video promoter, I will promote your videos by giving more viewers. So you type viewers there, viewers, more number of viewers, so anything there. So more number of viewers for a cheap price. So you then finish with your description. So a single item, so you just tap on offer shipping, then you can add, if you want, you can add photos to it, and then tap on published. So you can select photos there. So after adding 2 or more photos, then you tap on published for Facebook to publish for you. So anyone that sees this and interested, the person can contact you or chat you and ask you how you can go about it. So this is how your banner will look like. So this is a simple method. What you just need is to go to the app and gain more points, and then turn the points to views, and then go to Facebook, tell the people that you are YouTube video promoter, so you can promote their YouTube videos for them by giving them more views. Then when someone agrees to you, maybe you can charge the person for the number of this view, I'll be taking this. Then if the person agrees and give you the video link, then you now come here and paste it, and then tap on done, and you are done like that. This is very simple. So please, thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime that I release a new video, you'll be the first person to watch it. Thank you. Have a good day.